In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a non-tradable symbol in TradingView. Have you ever been in a situation where you're poised to execute a trade on TradingView, but as soon as you hit that buy button, you're confronted with an annoying message telling you that this symbol is non-tradable? Frustrating, right? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a straightforward solution to get you back on track. First, make sure you're logged in and head over to the TradingView website. This is where everything begins. Once you're on the website, open your chart. This setup is essential because you'll need to be right where the trading action happens to fix this issue efficiently. Now, let's talk about what might have gone wrong. Sometimes, when you're ready to make your move and hit the buy button, you get stopped by a notice that says the symbol is non-tradable. What this typically means is that there's an issue with your connected broker and the TradingView platform is unable to communicate effectively with them to execute the trade. A very common pitfall, but one that's quite easy to remedy. What you need to do in this situation is change your broker. It's possible that the broker you're currently using doesn't support the transaction for this particular symbol or instrument, which is why you're running into this roadblock. But there's an easy fix for this. On your chart, look for an icon that resembles an arrow, usually found near your broker's name in the paper trading settings. When you click on this arrow, a list of brokers will appear. From this list, you can explore other available brokers who might support the trade you're looking to place. Don't be afraid to browse through different options. You might even find a new broker that suits your trading style better. Once you've decided on an alternative broker, select them from the list. After making this change, TradingView should be able to re-establish a proper connection, allowing your trades to go through smoothly. Keep in mind, some brokers might have specific criteria or restrictions, so it's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with their particular requirements or terms. Doing so can prevent these types of hurdles in the future. So there you have it. By simply exploring and switching your broker, you can overcome the issue of non-tradable symbols in TradingView. This handy trick should keep your trading experience seamless and efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful, and as always, happy trading.